Should I upgrade my lens or should I upgrade my camera body? So this is one of the biggest asked questions of content creation, and I'm about to answer it. First, let's put back the lens. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, it depends if you are a photography first. Even if you're using a 10-year-old camera body with a great lens, a great glass, you can get yourself some great photos. So if you are photography first, yes, you should upgrade lenses, to get higher quality when you are shooting photography, because that's where the matters most. Number two, if you are a hybrid shooter, so you do more of video content and also photography content, then the question now comes in that yes, from time to time, maybe in 5-10 years, you should upgrade the body because of newer features, better autofocus, face tracking, and all that comes with newer bodies. If you already have a good lens, if you're a hybrid shooter, then you can always upgrade the body to get these new features that are much more interesting on videos, also in photos when you are. The third one is even more critical. Are you a Canon shooter, Sony shooter, Nikon shooter, and what type of camera body do you have? And that's where I'm really stuck. So I have the EFM mount. This is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Very solid camera for both photos and videos. And I've been using it to shoot my video content for several years now. And this guy is good. So I was looking at getting the Canon R50V, which is, video first. And then I'm going to lose my EV, God. So I was like, okay, but now there is the Canon R6 Mark III, which I'm eyeing, but the problem is that I already have like 4 lenses of the EFM mount, so I'm going to drop all those 4 lenses and then get the Canon and start getting newer RF lenses, which are only locked to Canon and are very expensive. So yeah, it gets complicated for Canon users. But of course, if you are a Canon user who is shooting video and you're already on EFM mount, you have to make a decision whether to continue. So my own decision is to continue. I cannot use the M50 Mark II without getting this Sigma 16 f1.4 16mm. There's no way I'm not going to miss this lens. I wanted to use it, and then after using it, I can sell it up, and then either I switch all over to Sony, where there are third-party lenses, or I spend the big cash, get a Canon and some of the good expensive Canon lenses. So that's it. If you don't want to spend a lot upgrading bodies or lenses, then I think Sony, maybe Nikon, Panasonic, and some of them are actually better option. But if you are a Canon shooter like me, then and you don't have RF lenses or even EF lenses, the older ones, and you can just jump in, get like the R6 Mark III, a very great hybrid camera, and then get a good lens and continue your shooting from there. Hope this is able to help. For now, I'm going to be trying out the Sigma and see the magic I can create with it until maybe I get bored and I decide to either go all Sony. No, not a Sony fan. I'm Team Canon. Of course, spend the big bucks, get great Canon lens, and then upgrade to an RF full frame body and stay there. Hope this is able to help a little bit. Make sure you like, share. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Until I see you in the next one. Give us peace.